Hello everyone, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Andy, I'm a logo designer and I've started making YouTube videos. So before we get started with today's video, I wanted to say that I've heard the feedback from the previous video, and next time I'll do a redesign, I will include my process, because I know that research is important, but it seems like a lot of you want to actually see the process of creating the logo as well, so I'll keep that in mind, don't worry. But anyway, on today's video, which is another speed logo. Now, I'm using the 30-day logo challenge for these speed logos things, and I want to do them in order, and I've done a few of them already just like by myself, like before I start the YouTube channel, but I actually lost the first one. Not the first one, the 9th one or something, so I've had to look it up on Google, but I found it. And so here's the brief that we are working with. It's a company called Scarlet, and they are a visual effects studio in Manhattan. For the last several years, they've been developing software for client projects, and they're going to split the company into two divisions, Scarlet VFX and Scarlet Raycast. We need a responsive logo designed for Scarlet that can easily be modified to represent any division within our company. One of the company sections will still be focused on providing visual effects for film projects that previously include Mad Max, King Kong and Stranger Things. God damn, alright. The new division will be responsible for developing computer software to increase the speeds at which mocap and facial animations can be recorded. In the future, looking to kickstart several other projects. So basically we need a responsive logo that can work within different sectors of a visual effects company. Sounds good. Let's get to the sketch cam. Okay, so 1 hour on the clock and let's go. Again, I'm going to allow myself 15 minutes basically with this. This is the thing, because I'm guessing we'll probably need like an abstract icon. VFX, what's some VFX things? Like, maybe we should just try something that's... See, the thing is, the fact that I've done Shenzhen as well, it's not like I've got different letters to play off as well. I've got to base it all around this one thing. He's getting the logo book. Logo Modernism, for anyone that was asking. It's a very good book. I highly recommend it. I think it's like £30. I can't open all of it because my tripod's there. Gotta move my glass of milk. Or we could do stuff with like play buttons and things like that. That'd be a good idea. I'm liking these. We could definitely try something with the arrows. There's a lot of stuff we could do basically, and sorry if you couldn't hear any of that because the book was blocking the microphone. Okay, I think I've got a few more ideas now. So you've got a play thing. Maybe the S is a bit like that. Oh, this is quite the challenge. So I wanna just sketch some things down basically at the moment. I think that would be the best idea. Also, if you're curious about where you can do this logo design challenge, I'll leave a link in the description where it will sign you up to an email thing, and then it will send you logo prompts for a month every day. I just realized after this it sounds like I'm doing a massive spawn. I'm not. What else could we try? Maybe an abstract little thing, something like that. Just that's very basic and very simple. Then what else? 53 minutes. That's fine. We can still sketch out some stuff. Something like that. There's a lot of ideas basically floating around here, and that's kind of what we want. We could try some stuff with literally just like that or something, and then I don't know. We have to. I don't know if I'm gonna think about typeface until we actually get into Illustrator. Doing something inside a box, that would probably work. Yes, great. Okay, let's jump onto the laptop. Start with the basic ones to begin with, just so we can get a grasp of what's going on. I don't really know what this shape would be. I just know it would be very versatile. Okay, yeah, that's something. Let's work with this box. See, I'm making this, and I'm realizing that it's sort of the same as the. Because if you've seen on my Instagram. There's a similar the Slash Films one that I did, which is also part of this. I also did a film reel for this, so I might stay away from the actual film things. Let's try some other ideas. I am a fan of that though for some reason. I don't know why. This is all just messing around, not really knowing what I want the final result to look like. Something like that possibly, or we could. Okay, that's better. Okay, that's alright. I can deal with that, I think. That's not the center. That might be the center of the circle, but it's not the center of the... There we go. Okay, cool. This one, yeah, this one is a bit thicker. But then, see, that's a bit more abstract now, so it does make an S, but it's a bit more like, oh, what's that? Okay, what else could we do? Let's see if we can put that in a box or something. We need to stop it snapping to the grid for a second. Okay, there we go. Control Y to easily select your things. There's a tip for all of you out there. I think I'm gonna make some beginner tutorials and stuff for Illustrator, if that's something you guys want to see. Also, I think I want to try and make some, I don't know, well, the thing is, I don't know if there's enough of you guys to do this yet, but I'd love to do some like logo critiques and some of that. So I mean, if you want me to take a look at your logo and give you some pointers, throw preferably Illustrator files, send some over to me, and if I get enough, I'll make a video critiquing a few logos and stuff like that. 38 minutes, okay, that's not bad. It's definitely got some appeal to it. Definitely. Right, we'll try out this idea of having 2 frames. Because obviously I want to try and keep it nice and abstract. I mean, yeah, something as simple as that could definitely work. Well, we can start to try and mess around with these a little bit more. Oh my god, I did not realize you can do that. Right, okay, cool. I know that one now. So we'll need 3 variations of the logo basically. One just Scarlet, one VFX, and then one Scarlet something or other. What was it called actually? So Scarlet VFX and Scarlet Raycast. Okay, I feel like we don't want something too thick. That could work. That definitely. I think doing some colours as well would be a good thing. Jesus Christ, my PC really needs to slow down. Okay, we've got half an hour. Try and do some weird stuff with the type maybe. That just looks like Scarlet, and that's not what we want. I do like that though. Definitely, I do like that. That could be something to. That looks like it could be a logo for something. We could do some cool stuff with the colours, especially if we make them. I'm thinking a nice, maybe not a red, though. It's called Scarlet. It's called Scarlet for a reason. Let's look up Pantone Scarlet. Maybe like a blue. Oh, we're in CMYK right now, so the colours won't be as vibrant. Blue and red is just such a nice colour combination when it comes to these kind of things. That's got a nice feel to it. So I'm actually liking it where like there. But then actually I wanna scale these guys down and actually give them a bit more. Oh dear. Oh no. So that's the thing. You want to keep it a sort of scarlet colour though. That's the only problem that I'm having. So maybe we could try some stuff out with this guy here. Or let's try. See, the thing is, I want it to have different colours though still, because I want to be able to say, well, if it's this colour, it's this section. If it's this colour, it's this section. Ooh. Okay, I didn't realise that if it was done like that, that could actually be quite cool. We can have one that goes on top like this, because it's very simple. It's very basic boxes, but it works. See, I think that would be really good. This is definitely an idea. So that's the thing. Like, some ideas can take you for ages, because I really wasn't confident on the Shenzhen bubble tea logo beforehand, but I guess that sort of grew on me, but I still wasn't the biggest fan of it when making it. But this one, like, it just shows that sometimes, like, when the ideas kind of hit your head, they work much better than you expect. Okay, so that's an idea there. Maybe we could try some other colours for this one. If we keep them all within a sort of hue, that might work. Okay. See, I like the concept. That's very simple. Like, we could definitely, if we're just thinking of logos on their own, that's fine. I like that. I also like that, and then maybe, yeah, okay, that works. I think we should use the same colours as this guy here, just to save a bit of time. I mean, that's getting somewhere. What if we use this? Or maybe we put it on the top here. Maybe you flip it around. So we have about 16 minutes left. Are there any other ideas that I've got in my sketchbook that we can try out? We can try out this one here. That, yeah, that works. Let's say use this guy here, because then I think that's almost like a little explosion then, so that represents the FX quite nicely. Okay, and then we can make that a nice scarlet colour. I think we got some good ideas now. We just need to do some stuff to figure out what's what. I really do like, see, the ones that's very versatile, and we've seen that it can be very versatile over here. And these two just look cool, So I think it's out of these three. So if we line them up and just sort of pick what's what. All of them, okay, maybe that one doesn't work as well in, no, but I definitely, okay, so I think it's out of these guys now. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I should should I do one of those polls in there? Do you want to, which one do you think's the best? I'll label them. Before I make my vote, I want you guys to vote. I'm gonna take a page out of Zimri's book here. 1 or 2. Which one are you feeling more? You know, I'm feeling this guy here. I'm feeling you can do so much more. You can do so much more stuff with this, because then you have Scarlet Raycast and then Scarlet VFX. I think we're done. I think that's a good logo. And 8 minutes to spare. That's pretty good. So, a little more time has passed now. I've had to crank the ISO up, so enjoy the noise. But yeah, so here's the finished design. It's something that fits the brief pretty well. It goes with the different sectors of this company or whatever. You can split it up. I like what I came up with. If you guys preferred any other designs that I did or had any other ideas of your own, leave down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. And then also, yeah, I was just gonna say that if you do want to send any logos through my way, contact me on my email. It'll be in the description. You know what? I'll just put a little word thing here. There you go. Contact that email. Send me some Illustrator files of logos and things, and if I get enough, I'll make a nice little logo critique video. I don't know if there's enough people watching at the moment to get a decent episode out of that, but I mean, I'll try anyway. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please leave me a like. That helps out a great deal. And subscribe as well if you're new around here and you want to see more cool logo design videos like this. And if you're super keen, you can turn notifications on to never miss a video, because I know that subscriptions are a bit bad with YouTube right now. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video.